Big day today on Tim's Garage. We've got a Harley Sportster 883. My buddy Fernando's here with his, well, it's your very first motorcycle you've ever owned, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's right. So it's his very first bike, and we're going to be installing for him so he can ride with his lady the rear peg kit. So we're going to do that, and then also throw a foam mount on for him as well. So he picked up all this stuff, and we're going to get it installed on this beautiful Harley, which is so weird to have in my garage. I've never had a Harley in here before. As much as I love American stuff,
yeah,
like,
he told me to do not buy this bike.
no, but it's good. It's a good bike. I got
I'm enjoying.
Yeah, see, I got my Brazilian friend, my Brazilian flag, my American car, American bike, and then, well, my Texas stuff with my Triumph hiding over here. So we're going to get the pegs installed. We're going to look up how to do it, but basically, well, you added this already, yeah?
Uh-huh.
This wasn't here. Okay,
Yeah,
so...
we did it yesterday.
Oh, you put this on. So you got the passenger seat. He put this on yesterday. Bike came with only the single rider seat. He threw this on, and now he needs a place for his wife's feet to go. So we're going to get the pegs installed so he can go for a nice little joyride. So let's get started. All right, so Fernando took out the 2 bolts that go there, and now we're figuring out which direction the peg mount's going to go. But they give you longer hardware, which you use to drop that in. Does it go that way, or does it flip the other way around? I think it's like that. Yeah. Yep. This side's super easy. It's literally just those 2 bolts. Almost too easy on that side. All right, so now we're on the left side trying to get the peg on. And there's a little metal clip that goes in there that makes it kind of tough to align the hole. So he's trying to get it aligned so that way we can stick the pin through. And he's got the pin. And honestly, you just gotta wiggle it. There it is. Boom! See? It wasn't so hard. And then slide the clip on, push it all the way down until it locks in place.
I think it's working.
Yeah, looks good. The clip is holding it on the back. Folds up, folds down. Boom. Okay. If only.
Now is the problem.
Yeah. Now you got to go take the exhaust off on the other side. So this side's going to be a little tougher. We have to actually, well, we have to get at where the brake master cylinder is here. And basically what we're going to do is replace this bracket that's here with the new bracket for the peg, which will actually come out right here. So we have to take the brake master cylinder off, this bracket off, and then the bracket will go where this mounting bracket is, right here, here, and then also here, and then the new bracket will be hanging out this way. But to get at that, it looks like, because we have to get at this bolt there, and that one down there, and wouldn't you know it, the exhaust pipe is just in the way to be able to get at this guy. It's a really tight fit, so we're gonna have to loosen the exhaust here to get at this part. So that's what we're gonna do next. All right, so Harley likes to put these shrouds over their pipe. So this black is not his actual pipe. We got this cover, so we had to loosen that to be able to get the header bolts, which he's now loosening, so then we can actually get the pipe out of the way. But this is just a cover, guys. That's Harley for you. Not an actual pipe. To cover. Okay, don't mind the fan noise because it's 100 degrees in here, but we finally got the bracket off with the brake, which is now the brake master cylinder, which is dangling here. We had to loosen the whole exhaust front and rear in order to get at it. But we've got that removed, so now we can put the new bracket in and reassemble. And it's behind you. You want to grab it? See how it fits in there? So, yep, I think it's like that. Not exactly sure. So there's 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, like that. There it is. You got it. Boom. So now we just gotta put the new bracket in and get it all back together. It looks like it lines up like that. Let's get started. Use the... There you go. It's one. The exhaust on this has really been in the way. And then 3.
Just a question.
Yeah. Okay, next is using the new hardware and then getting the brake cylinder put back in place. It's just 2 bolts going here and there. Should be easy peasy. All right, well, the new bracket is in. Looking good here. Got the brake master cylinder mounted on. Now we're just putting the exhaust back together. It's quite a puzzle, this Harley, but we've almost got it. Okay, so we've got the pegs installed on both sides, looking good. Now he's ready to go 2 up. I mean, it was a big pain in the butt to loosen up the exhaust to be able to get at these bolts that were down here, but we actually replaced them with new hardware on the brake master cylinder, and then here's the new bracket that went in place. So looks good. He's ready to ride. We're gonna call this project done. You ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
He's ready to go.
Now my wife doesn't have an excuse anymore.
No excuses. Well, tell that to mine, because I can go 2 up on my Thruxton. You guys can look for that video where I did the pegs on my Thruxton, but she still won't ride with me, man.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
yeah. All right, well, he's gonna ride out of here. We'll call this project done.